Whenever you insert a table of content from the reference section of your MS Word, unwanted text or images may be added to your table of contents in Microsoft Word. To solve, first, hold the Control key and click on the unwanted entry in the table of contents. This will take you directly to the corresponding text in the document. Select the entire section of that text, then go to the Home tab. Open the Styles menu, click More, and choose Clear Formatting. This removes any style that may have caused the text to appear in the table of contents. Once you've done that, return to the table of contents, right-click, and choose Update field, then select Update Entire Table. The unwanted entry will now be removed. You can follow the same method to eliminate images or any other elements accidentally included in the table of contents. And that's it, quick, clean, and effective.